You want to grow your hair long and thick. You want your hair to grow long and healthy. I want to ask you this question: that have you tried taking in tiger nut drink? Yes, tiger nut drink, not tiger nut spray. Tiger nut drink actually it helps in blood circulation. It helps the blood to circulate through to your scalp and to your hair. And I tell you, when blood circulates to your hair, just tell me how your hair will not grow. Now you are taking something in into your body, and definitely it will work even more faster than even adding it directly to your hair, because it's tiger nut actually it does a lot of things even beyond that. Now the first ingredient I am introducing is called dates. Date, it serves as a sweetener. Yes, it's a sweetener. It can be substituted with sugar, but because it is a natural drink I'm making, and if you don't know, I am into tiger nut drink business. I'm actually making this batch for a customer. Now just imagine that I am making my tiger nut drink on Saturday. I am soaking my date a day before. That is what I do, so that I can actually be able to remove the seeds properly. Now the next day is to start, and what the first thing I did was to clean my space where I'm going to use actually. So please and please, cleanliness is what is next to godliness. And also my hair is covered. Yes, I'm just showing you my hair to show you that my hair is properly covered. So the second ingredient I'm introducing is coconut. Is coconut as well, very good, very good for your hair, for your, even for your body. And also this video is not only for those that want to grow your hair. If you want to gain weight as well, my dear, just keep on watching this video. Now how did I break that coconut? Is by slam it on the floor. Actually, now I've seen some people that when they want to remove their coconut, they just like they put it on fire and all. I really don't know how to do that step. This is what I see my parents doing on how to remove coconut when I was younger. So you get to just use your knife and be very careful. It will actually remove. Just take your time. Use that knife to lift it up so well so that it can just remove at once. And it was actually easy, no stress at all, like no stress. I was able to do that maybe within 4 minutes. It was not hard. But if you want to go with the hot method, the fire method, put it on fire. I really don't know how to do that, but this one is safe. Just be careful with the knife so that you don't want to hear a story that touches the heart. If you get what I'm trying to say. So this video is actually majorly for hair growth. Yes, it's good for weight gain. Yes, I have a lot of video on weight gain. That's why I'm not really focusing on weight gain. But for your hair, my dear, don't joke with it, because one thing is it improves blood circulation and definitely it will grow your hair thick. Now the next thing is to wash my what's it called, to wash my coconut thoroughly, remove sand, remove dirt and all. Do you get? And if you don't know, I think I've mentioned earlier that I sell tiger nut drink and you can order, and I'm going to send it wherever you are. Yes, very sweet, very delicious. I don't know that we really like tiger nut drink, even like generally, even guys, ladies, everyone, like until I started making it, my dear, order. And the thing is, it is per order. Like it's not something I make, because it is a natural drink. So, and we don't want to how I am done with the making. Now this is the date I soak earlier, a night before. Do you get? A night before. The reason why we soaked it, first of all, I don't know, I know that some blender can crush nuts, but, and secondly, to also remove the, what's it called, the seed inside. We don't need the seed, we actually need the flesh. And like I said earlier, it is good for, what's it called, it is a sweetener. So if the amount of dates you had depends on how sweet you want and the quantity of the tiger nut you want to use. Now I saw that some were actually gotten molted inside, so we can still work with that, because I'm still going to show you how I did that perfectly without anything. One thing about tiger nut, if you want to make tiger nut drink, everything must be clean, nothing spots, nothing rotten. Like tiger nut is, let me say, it is easy and it is hard, because my dear, it can get spots. Like If you are using sport stuff, naturally it can get spot easily. If you are now using sport stuff, my dear, I pity you. Now the one that has stuff inside, I added it to another water and I washed it thoroughly. Like I washed it so well to remove those stuff inside. Sure you get. So that is how to do it. When you see that something is spot, please and please just remove it from that tiger nut so that you don't have issues when doing it. Now we've been talking about all of that ingredient that I've not mentioned tiger nuts. Now this is the tiger nuts me I'm using. I've seen some people using dry tiger nuts, but please, me, I prefer to use this actually. Now, a day before I have picked my tiger nut. My tiger nut is clean. But let me tell you, I still picked it again. Yes, I still picked it again. Please remove all dead stone, stand, and any tiger nut that has gotten rotten, shey you get, so that it will not spoil your work. Do you understand? Wash it thoroughly, like wash it like your life depends on it. Wash it and pick it, shey you get, and pick it, wash it so well. I washed it a day before I picked it and it was clean, but my dear, I still washed it again the next day, like thoroughly. I removed the dirt. I was picking it one by one because yes, I I I picked it, but we can't tell actually. We can't because you have to be very very careful when you are making tiger nut drink. Tiger nut drink. And also, if you don't know, I have a master class on Telegram. If you want to learn how to make this tiger nut drink, you want to learn how to make parfait, you want to make learn how to make the delicious zobo, like not just normal zobo. You want to learn how to make yogurt. Yes, you want to learn how to make the normal yogurt, the parfait yogurt, the plain yogurt, the cream Greek yogurt, my dear. I have that master class, and that master class is a 7-in-1 master class. It is just going for 1000 naira. So if you want that class, my dear, just message the number on the screen on WhatsApp, and I'm going to send the details to you just for 1000. I know that you don't want to miss this class for anything. It's just going for 1000. Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Like, don't miss it for anything. So thank you so much. You can see the way I was picking it. So please and please pick it properly so that you will avoid story that touches the heart. Stories that touches the heart. Now the last ingredient is banana. Now you can actually make your tiger nut drink with tiger nuts and dates, but me, I'm a extra baby. I give top notch is my own business, my own to my customers. So I give my customer the best. So I added tiger nut. I added banana. So my banana too, I washed the back because I don't want any debt. I don't want any story. I don't want any story at the end of this video. Sorry for my customer. So everything must be neat, clear, and okay. Sure you understand. So please patronize your baby girl, like patronize me, please and please. I sell tiger nut drink, and you will not regret it. Well packaged, sweet, wonderful. Like, I have my own. There's no how I'm going to post all of my business secrets on this on my YouTube page. Of course, tiger nut drink, this is actually the way they do it, but I have my own secret formula, like secret formula that actually distinguish my business, my own tiger from others. Now I am using a blender. Please, if you have a food processor, oh my god, you just did like, let me say that you are chosen. You will not be like, but I don't have a food processor, so I am using a blender. So I loaded it into my blender. It could not like accommodate my blender at once. My dear, if you have a food processor, you don't know what God has done for you. Like you don't know, like you don't know. So I blended it and I am using a sieve cloth. My god, can you see how creamy this is? Like, can you see how creamy this is? Oh my god, can you see how creamy this is? Can you see? My god, my father, just tell me you're going to drink, you're going to drink this like this, and your brain will reset, like your head will reset. Your body will be like, hey, what is this girl giving me? What's going on in my body? Like, what's going on in my body? So that is just it. So tiger nut is actually very, very sweet. Like, eating itself is sweet, talk less of now adding all of these ingredients, and just like it's sweet, it's good for the body, it's healthy, it's good for your body, it's good for your hair, it's good for weight gain. Like, it's just perfect. Sure, you understand? It's just like so good, so good. So please and please, if you have a food processor, my dear, you don't know what God has done for you. So I will not be like, if I have a food processor, I will not be going through all of this. The food processor will have separated the shaft from the water. Sure, you understand? And that is just it. So this is the result of it. This is the result of it. Can you see how creamy this is? Like, girl, can you see how creamy this is? Just tell me you're going to drink this and your life will not change. Your life will not change, my dear. Guys, the person that ordered this has ordered another batch. Now, if you don't know, the person that ordered this actually has ordered another batch. Yes, he has ordered another batch. Now, this 35 cl is just going for 2,000 naira. Yes, it is great for just 2,000 naira. Now, if you are ordering more than 8 bottles, there is discount on it. Yes, there is discount on it. Now, the 50 cl is going for 2,500 naira, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, hey, please, this is me saying that, please and please kindly subscribe to my channel, and I want to definitely see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.